So hey yo, what's up guys, my name is Susan. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to take a snapshot onto your laptop computer on your Windows 10 or Windows 8 7. So this will be working on any machine that you are using. Okay, so it must be in the Windows base. And also I'm going to show you how to capture this type of thing. Okay, so if you guys are using the snipping tool, you guys can't capture this start menu. So I'm going to show you how to use snipping tool to capture this type of menu. So if I try to do, you can see it just disappear by the way. So let's get started this video right now. So let me tell you first what is snipping tool. So snipping tool is used for capturing this type of thing, just like this. Okay, you can do anything you like on a snipping tool, and snipping tool is really handy for to take some your desktop screenshot, just like in your Android mobile. This is same as taking snapshots onto your computer. So this tool do have is a mod. Okay, so you can choose any kind of mod that you want. Like a free snipping, it will give you this scissor, and you can cut some part. Like I want to cut this window, and bam. So you can see it's so simple, and to use it's really great. And I really recommend you guys to use the rectangular snip. So because whenever you guys want to take a snapshot of some part, you can just do like this, and there we go, you guys are ready. And yeah, with the Windows snip you can capture entire, just with one click you will get all of the full screen. So let's talk about now how to take screenshot with snipping tool to capture the start menu. So to do that with snipping tool, there is two methods. Okay, so the one method I'm going to tell you is a keyboard shortcut. So the keyboard shortcut you are going to be using is print screen. So make sure you guys are opening your snipping tool first, and then you are using the rectangular or whatever you want. Okay, so I basically use the rectangular snip, so I recommend you guys to use as well, because you guys can snip your particular space area. So I just recommend you guys to use the rectangular snip. So guys, let's take the start menu just like here. So to do that, you want to open up your snipping just like this, and guys you want to head up over to your start menu just like that. Now you guys want to find your print screen onto a keyboard. So basically print screen will be on upper part of your backspace. Okay, so try to find it, and I'll also show you here on the screen on your keyboard. So once you find that, hold your control and press print screen, and then you guys can take a snip just like this, which is very simple to do. And you can see we just took the start menu just like this, right? So it's really easy. And the next thing, without using this shortcut menu, you guys can do that as well. So to do that, click a new one, and then you guys want to go to delay tab and set the delay time as 3 seconds. So you guys want to be as fast as possible to capture your screen. So what you guys want to do here is you want to click a new, and as quick as possible try to bring a start menu. Alright, so click here on the new and press on Windows and wait for a moment, and there we go. So this is how you can do it, and you can snip it just simply like that. So guys, you can see that this is really simply to do that. And also guys, I want to show you the next method here. So let me show you next option here with the paint menu. Okay, so open up a paint, then open up the start menu, and then you want to press on the print screen. Okay, just tap on the print screen. Then once you have done that, full screen your paint, then press on Ctrl V to paste. Now use the crop tool, then come back onto your start menu, and then you want to just pick up like that and click on the crop, and that's to crop your screenshot, just simple as it is. And yeah guys, to save this picture, just go to file, click on file, and click on save as JPEG, PNG, whatever you want. So this is that simple. So guys, that's it. It's that simple to do. So guys, if you love this video, leave a like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you guys do have any comment, leave a question on my comment box. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. So till then, bye bye, peace out.